Anthropic said this model was too dangerous to release. So dangerous, it could exploit vulnerabilities across every major operating system. And now it has been accessed by unauthorized users. Wow. Anthropic's Claude Mythos, one of the most powerful cybersecurity AI models ever built, has reportedly been accessed by a small group outside its approved circle. And that too, the same day it was announced. Anthropic itself claims it can identify vulnerabilities across systems, exploit weaknesses in browsers and operating systems, scale cyber attack capabilities, which is exactly why it was locked behind Project Glasswing, a controlled rollout to companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Cisco. Only a handful of trusted players, or at least that was the plan. This is the point where it gets very disturbing. A third-party contractor had access. That access was leveraged, combined with basic internet sleuthing tools and knowledge of how Anthropic structures its models. And that was enough to gain access. It is shocking to learn that the model designed to find vulnerabilities was exposed through one. And this was a weakness exploited, not in the model, mind you, but in the system around it. So interestingly, the group hasn't used Mythos for cyber attacks, or at least not till now. Instead, they've been, testing it, building simple applications, exploring capabilities quietly, likely to avoid detection. But that's not the point. If this group could access it, who else already has? And why I ask is because this wasn't a sophisticated breach. This was actually access leakage, poor perimeter control, and predictable system patterns. Anthropic positioned Mythos as too powerful, too dangerous, too sensitive to be released widely. And yet, the challenge wasn't controlling the model. It was controlling access to it. Actually, this is what enterprise AI is about to face. Not just model safety, but vendor security, contractor access, API exposure, integration leaks. And here, of course, is the front page take. Microsoft is integrating Mythos into its security workflows. Governments are lining up for access. Enterprises want it deployed, which means demand is rising. But unfortunately, at the same time, the control is weakening. Please do let us know about your thoughts in the comments below as far as this development goes. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.